Ito na yung famous globe, guys. Universal Studios, Singapore. Good morning, pamilya. Ngayon, day 2 of our Singapore vlog. So, pupunta ngayon tayo sa Universal Studios. May challenge ako dito sa mga bata na kasama ko. So, hindi ko ituturo sa kanila kung paano mag-train papunta sa Universal Studios. So, sila mag-figure out kung paano magpunta. So, tara guys. Ito na yung train station. Yan siya. So, dadalhin nila kami sa Universal Studios. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng train station. Natingin na sila sa map ng train. Ito. Ito, sa Parer. Tapos, kuya, saan yun?
Harbor Front.
Harbor Front. Saan yun, kuya? Yung Harbor Front. Ito yung Harbor Front. Okay, go. Let's go. Let's go. So, madadala mo ba kami sa Harbor Front?
Yeah.
How about you, kuya?
I am 100% sure.
Oh, mag-ano kayo
So,
your team team silang dalawa.
Fair.
Oo. Kung paano makapunta sa Harbor Front, papunta ng Universal Studios. Andito na kami sa magbo-board na kami ng train. Guys, ito, pala. Isang straight line lang pala yung yung Harbor Front to. Adi, isang straight line lang yung Harbor Front. So, yung challenge na to guys, fail. Papahirapan nila natin sila sa next journey natin. Doon sa, yung magpapalit-palit tayo ng line. So, yun nga, papunta na kami ng Harbor Front. Doon sa Vivo City. Going to Vivo City, papunta ng Universal Studios. Update namin kayo later. We just got here sa Harbor Front. Ito na, nakita na namin papunta ng Vivo City. Ito. Exit E siya. Sa Exit E. Yeah. Ayan si Ate Addison. Very good, ano mo kami dito, nadala mo kami dito, Oo, iiwan na namin kayo, marunong na pala kayo mag-commute. Hindi, tinuturoan ko lang sila mag-commute para if ever na, di ba, alam mo naman, sa atin, alam nila kung paano gumana yung mga train station. Pero iba pa rin ito yung sa train station, natin. Madali lang siyang matutunan kasi halos lahat ng sign nandito na, babasahin mo na lang siya. Guys, paglabas mo lang ng Harbor Front Station, ito na, bubungad sa iyo yung Vivo City. Papasok na kami ng Vivo City Mall, parang mall yata to. So, kain muna tayo. May McDonald's, Kopitiam, Krispy Kreme. Yan. Kopitiam, dito sa tayo kung parang kaya toast na masarap. So guys, pagka gusto mo mag-reserve ng ng seat, ito yung ginagawa nila. Ganyan. So, ibig sabihin niya, pag may mga nakapatong na gamit, is, reserve na siya. Ang tawag po dyan is stroke or reserve. So guys, ito na, nakakuha na kami ng food namin. This is char siu pork and soy sauce chicken. Guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga food choices dito sa Vivo City. Okay pa, tapos na kaming mag-lunch dito sa Kopitiam. So, ngayon papunta na tayo ng Universal Studios. Pamilya, Sentosa ticketing ng Vivo City Station. So guys, yun, nakakuha na tayo ng ticket ng bali train lang yung kinuha natin. Hindi na kami nag-cable car. So, ang isang ticket is $16, bali $4 each. Ayan. Ayan yung train, guys. That's the train going to Sentosa Island. Yeah, you can go in. Yes, yung Vivo City Station, yung Resourceful Station.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only bus integrated family resort.
Nakababa na kami ng train. Eto na, yung Resorts World Sentosa dito. Ayan, no? So, ayan, Universal Studios. Sa kanan tayo, dear. Pupunta tayo sa kanan. There's the famous globe. Ito na yung famous globe, guys. We're here already.
So nice. Let's take pictures.
Mommy! We're here. Aya! Ito na guys, Universal Studios, Singapore.
We're in Universal and we're just entering already.
Yeah. Ready ko lang yung ticket namin from Klook. Guys, kung gusto nyo maka-discount, gamitin yung code namin, Familia Madriaga Klook. Kung gusto nyo up to 5% discount siya. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin dito sa Universal Studios. Hello. I have 5.
Five. Does she
Yes.
have a ticket as well?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one of you come inside class, please.
Okay. Okay guys, nakapasok na ako. So, sila Mami naman at Aya, Kuya Alden at Ate Addison. Hi! Hi! Minions, where? Yeah! Ayan, gusto niya kasi si Minion. Si Despicable Me, mga Minions. I think. And guys, may Minion Mart sa Despicable Me. Ayan, Despicable Me 4. Ayan si Gru. Wow. At saka sino yung kasama niya? Isang villain din yan, ano? Ayan si Gru, guys. Ayan si Gru. So guys, yung ayan, Mega Minion. Okay, Spaghetti Space, Sesame Street, Spaghetti Space, Shakes, Fraction and Prawns. Yan. Ken? Wow, you're tall na. You can ride. Okay.
Let's throw that pasta back to Earth. Yay, Bird!
Cookie Monster. Lachi. Hi.
I lived my childhood.
What? Your childhood?
Yeah, I
remember this is one of my favorites.
I still remember this.
With Maharaya and Alden. Here.
Ngayon guys, ang ano naman namin is lights, camera, action. Yan.
This one I don't know yet.
Hindi
I'm
pa
not
namin
really
nakapasukan
ride
to.
it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a blast anyways.
Okay. Let's see the lights, camera, action guys.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and this well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but trust me, this soundstage and the one you're about to enter are just about the most incredible places on the planet. And that brings us to the scene you're about to see. It's set in an old boathouse in New York City, right in the middle of a Category 5 hurricane. Enjoy the show.
A hurricane, guys.
Are we gonna get wet?
Maybe. It's a big boat.
We went Ten out of 10. I would visit this again if I
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
What?
even though I got super scared.
Even though you got super scared. Grabe guys, yung lights, camera, action. Ganda. Parang kang nanonood sa ano. Parang kang totoo. So, next ride naman tayo guys. Guys, meron palang show dito ang ano, ang Minion, the Mega Minion Show. Okay, familia. Ito na yung Sci-Fi City. Magra-ride sila Ate Addison dito sa Transformer. May iwan kami dito nila Aya sa labas. Kasi hindi pa siya pwede. Pwede ba na ba si Aya? Hindi pa yun, no? She cannot ride pa daw. So, waiting lang kami dito. Familia, yan. Bawal pa pala si Aya dito sa accelerator. Maglalaro muna kami dito sa may mga... Ayan, dyan. Where do you want? Where do you want? Huh? Okay. Here or here?
Ready, go. Oh, 5. Nice.
Wow! Thank you!
Outside.
Alright, done. Thank you. Pam, nakakuha si Aya. Show that on the camera. Wow! Pam, andito kami sa may Battlestar Galactica. So, nag-ride na si Ate Addison. Kami, hindi na namin kayang i-ride to. Tignan mo naman guys, oh. Oh. Ayan. Grabe, may mga roller, parang roller coaster na talaga siya. Roller coaster ride. Ayan. Are you okay?
May natin ito kukunin.
Kamusta yung ride mo?
We're not allowed to video. That's why I couldn't record. But once I got there, I was in the second row. And I had to remove my Crocs since, you know, it's a loose object. And when we rolled there, the adrenaline in my body was, like, rushing through my body. And I couldn't scream to I couldn't scream to that point. And it felt scary since we flipped like 3 times.
May flipping na nangyayari kaya alam mo naman pag medyo tumatanda na, mga batang 90s, kamusta mga likod nyo? Pamilya, nakapila kami ngayon sa, sino ba to? Autobot?
No, si Optimus.
Sa Optimus Prime. Babapicture na kanya. So, ayan, wait natin yung turn natin. Nasa pila kami guys. Hello guys, ito na.
往前站这边，往前
Okay.
the front to the front
To the front.
forward, step forward, guys.
Okay.
Ready, lights, camera, action. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you. Yun guys, si Optimus Prime. So, yes, may picture tayo kay Optimus Prime. Ito, pamilya, ang nakikita ko sa ngayon ay The Mummy. Just Revenge of the Mummy. Magra-ride ka ba dyan, Ate Addison?
Yes. I have to experience everything since we're not always here. I'm still young, I can ride rides.
Okay. Malakas talaga ng loob ni Ate Addison dito pagdating sa mga ride. Grabe. Okay guys, pamilya, natapos na pong mag-ride si Ate Addison dito sa Revenge of the Mummy. Anong nag-experience mo doon?
So, at first, there was a drop. I didn't know there was a... They said not to take the book of life. There was a lot of sides. There's no loop-de-loops or anything. It's just sides lang. And then... But yeah, there was a drop. One drop. And it was mostly dark, so we wouldn't see anything. Scary. No, it's not that scary naman.
Hindi tayo makakapasok kasi si Aya. Dito na tayo sa may... Kakatapos lang ni Ate Adi sa Revenge of the Mummy. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa may Treasure Hunters para sa mga kids. How many minutes waiting time? 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour waiting time. No express daw. Guys, bali mag-iiba muna tayo ng ride kasi 1 hour daw ang waiting time dito sa may Treasure Hunters. Ayan. Medyo mahaba yung pila dito. Talagang pinipilaan siguro siya. Siguro baka maganda talaga yung ride. So tara, dun tayo sa kabila. Attraction, next na ride is The Lost World Jurassic Park. Okay fam, tapos na kami dito sa Jurassic Park, The Lost World. Ngayon, mayroong show dito. Natuwa na naman si Aya nito.
Than you, of course, and not just here for beauty, she has excellent eyesight. Now, Velociraptor that even human beings can't see. And with
Parang totoo,
Velociraptor,
guys,
the most sensitive color to them is actually the color red.
Ano pa siya,
So if you're wearing
sa
a red shirt or red backpack,
Okay guys, pagtapos na tong dinosaur, ito na yung Far Far Away. Yan, Far Far Away. Wow, ang laki ng castle oh. Yan si Shrek. Tsaka si Princess Fiona. What?
Shrek 4D.
Shrek 4D. Okay, thank you. This is Shrek 4D guys. Try natin. Walang pila guys.
What are you talking about? Is there an off button on it? Oh, watch it. Wow, this 3D is pretty cool.
Okay, pamilya, tapos na kami manood ng Shrek na 4D. Nakaka-enjoy naman siya.
Yeah.
Kasi, pati yung mga bata nag-enjoy. Talaga mag-enjoy yung mga bata, mga 4 years old pata sila. Ayan.
Even me.
Oo, pati siya. The Shrek, oh! The Shrek, oh! The Shrek, oh! Ngayon, papunta naman kami sa may Water World. Schedule is 6:15. So, tama lang yung oras namin pagkatapos ng Shrek. Ayan, Water World. Ayan guys, nagsisimula na silang mabasa. So dito sa Water World, mababasa ka talaga. Pamilya, tapos na tayong manood dito sa Water World. Explore pa namin tong loob ng Universal Studios, Singapore. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating i-ride. Stay tuned, guys. Ano yan, dear? Enchanted? Ano to? Enchanted Airways. Yan. High-speed roller coaster pala to, guys. So, good luck, Alden! Enjoy! Nga pala, dito sa may Far Far Away, may binibuild na parang new attraction ng Universal Studios. Kaya makikita mo, may Despicable Me doon. Zoom natin. Ayan. May Despicable Me. Pero sarado pa siya eh. Okay. Yeah, sarado pa yung gate niya. So, tignan natin kung ano yan. Kailan magbubukas. Tapos na mag-ride sila, Ate Addison. Kamusta ang ride?
So me, I guess it was a bit boring since I rode the big rides like a while ago.
How about you? Kamusta ang ride mo?
It was short. And
Huh?
it was very short.
And frightening for
Yeah. And it felt like my soul left my body.
Okay. Yun guys, ito magra-ride naman daw si Ate Addison ng Puss in Boots Giant Journey. Adi! Ayun, antayin naman natin ulit sila. So, yun lang ang role natin dito. Magantay lang ng magantay. Kamusta? Kamusta ang ride?
It's long and it's fun.
Ha?
But in my opinion, because I rode the first ride, it's a bit boring for me. So, but it's nice. It's nice.
Ikaw, Alden?
I thought it was gonna be like a farming ride, like it was supposed to be for kids. Pero it scared me so bad.
Yeah, it's
Scary daw, guys.
Because she said that there's no drop.
I didn't
So
know
I
there was a
trusted
drop.
her. And then there was a drop pala.
And the drop is
And then,
small.
Oh, nagsisisihan na sila. Pero nag-enjoy kayo?
Yeah.
Okay. Approve sa kanila. Okay guys, doon tayo sa next naman na
The drop is small. It's not a super
Na-
drop naman eh.
hindi namin alam kung ano yung next na madadaanan namin dito. Kaya stay tuned guys. Pamilya, ayan, ganito ito pagka wala ng araw. Ayan. Halos nakabukas sa lahat ng ilaw. Oo. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa si Ate Adi dahil sobrang liwanag na ng mga ilaw dito.
It looks nice at night time.
Bye, Universal Studios! Pag lumabas ka dyan, wala na. Bye, Universal! So, pagkagaling ka pala ng Vivo City, tapos bumili ka ng ticket doon. So, ang pabalik mo is wala na rin bayad. Libre na siya. Hi guys! We made it here na ulit sa Almubin Restaurant. Ayan, kakain na ulit kami dito ng dinner namin. So, pagtapos doon sa sa Universal Studios, ang naging experience naman namin is maganda siya. Ang ganda-ganda lang yung ng Universal Studios. So, anong naging mo doon, Ate Andy?
I felt excited and thrilled to be there. And I had a lot of fun today. Like I can feel my legs.
Yun guys. So pagka nasa Universal Studios na kayo, siguro ang tip na may bibigay ko sa inyo doon, be early. Tapos kung meron kayong konti dyan na budget, pwede kayong mag-express pass. Yung express pass kasi na yan is talagang dire-diretso lang kayo. Worth it siya. Dire-diretso lang kayo. Talagang ma-enjoy nyo lahat ng mga rides doon. So, ano pa ba yung mga tips doon? Tsaka bago kayo magpunta doon, kumain na rin kayo ng marami kasi nga yung mga pagkain doon tsaka tubig, yung mga drinks, medyo talagang pricey siya.
But don't eat a lot before riding a roller coaster. Tayo kumain ko ng food
Oo, kami nga hindi. Puro lang kami, refreshment lang. Tsaka kung meron kayong tumbler dyan or mga refillable bottle, merong mga water station doon, pwede kayong mag-refill. Tapos, yun lang. Nag-enjoy lahat ng mga kids namin at tsaka lalong-lalo na to, si Ate Adi. Halos lahat na-enjoy niya, pati to si Kuya Alden. And si Aya naman is, nag-enjoy siya dun sa mga shows. Sa mga shows naman, yung Shrek 4D, sa Far Far Away, yan, sa Sesame Street.
The water.
Anong water?
What?
Water World, yun, the Water World. Isa rin sa iconic na ng Universal Studios.
Ano ba yung story?
Oo, kung nakapunta na kayo ng Universal Studios dati at napanood nyo na yung Water World, parang ngayon nag-iba yung istorya niya. Medyo may konting twist. So, guys, may bago kayong mapapanood doon ngayon. So, yun, tatapusin na natin tong day 2 vlog natin sa Singapore, Universal Studios. So, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa day 3 vlog ng Singapore. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Guys, yung sa sa Klook natin kung may bala kayong magpunta sa mga activities dito sa Singapore, you can use our code, Familia Madriaga Klook. F yun Familia Madriaga Klook. So, makakakuha ka ng up to 5% discount. So, yun guys, maraming salamat. Please like, share, and subscribe. Kung meron man akong mga na-miss or meron kayong mga recommendation, pwede nyo i-comment dyan sa baba. Okay? Maraming salamat. Pamilya Madriaga. Bye!